Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse, and for today we're going to unbox my latest purchase of a heritage boots from the United States. Courtesy of Johnny Air Plus Cargo, I received this box or boots coming from the United States. I ordered these boots last June 15, and the company that where I ordered, it was sent after 1 month and to the Jack Air Cargo address in Daly City near San Francisco after 1 month, and overnight it was received by Johnny Air Cargo. And after 7 days, it arrived in SM Mega Mall. So practically, I waited for 6 weeks for this item to arrive here in the Philippines. So we're going to open this box. By the way, my boots was ordered at bakers.com. This is a small boot company based in the Pacific Northwest. So actually, this is my second time to order boots from them. And this is the famous White's boots. And this will be my first boots from their company. Oh, we'll see what's inside. Very nice box. They sent me the receipt. I ordered a pair of their white Packer boots. So let us put this aside, and we will see these boots that I ordered. They gave me a I don't know, maybe a wax, the usual. Oh, it is a full stang and the usual shoelaces. So basically, I ordered a pointed Mule Packer boots from White's. Nice. It is a standard boots actually. We are looking at my new Mule Packer boots from Whites, which I just received and unboxed. So I ordered a brown Mule pointed Packer boots from Whites in 10 inches. The box says it's 10 inches, but when I measured the shaft or the length, it's only 8.5 inches. But I'm not complaining. I like the boots, I like the color, I love the shoelaces, I love the false tongue, and I like pointed toes. I like them. So you have 3 stitches, and then you have the usual mark. It says handmade from Spokane, Washington, and this is size 8. And you can see that there is a manufacturing month and year. It says 7/21, so this was made July of this year. This is my first white boots, and I like how it is constructed. It is a cowboy heel, and the sole is Bivram, oil resistant big bram sole, and it's really nice. The leather is thick, and you have a rolled end, and you have the pull-up tab. You have 4 holes, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hooks and 1 end hole. My initial impression is that this is a quality boots, and it needs a lot of time of breaking in these boots. As I progress, we'll be making an update video on this Mule pointed Packer boots from Whites. And true to size, I'm 8D with Red Wing, and it follows that I'm also 8D on the Whites. Very nice boots.